Hi there. Welcome to The Law of the Future, the podcast hosted by Dennis Hilleman, international expert on technology and law. Join Dennis as he dives deep into the latest developments in the ever-changing world of technology and law. You'll hear his insights, his stories, and get access to his latest published articles, all for free. Plus, join the Law of the Future community at www.lawofthefuture.club and stay up to date with the latest news and trends in technology and law. So, don't miss out on this unique opportunity, and let's kick off with the new episode of The Law of the Future.
The Inevitable Revolution: How Generative AI Will Transform the Legal Profession in the Next Decade.
This article has been published by Dennis Hilleman on the website www.lawofthefuture.club.
The legal profession has long been considered a bastion of human ingenuity, expertise, and judgment. However, the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence AI, particularly in the field of generative language models, are poised to shake the foundations of this esteemed vocation. In this expanded commentary, I will explore the reasons behind the expected decline in demand for lawyers due to generative AI, the implications of this transformation, and potential solutions to mitigate the disruption.
The historical context of the legal profession.
To fully appreciate the impact of generative AI on the legal profession, it is essential to understand the historical context in which this profession has evolved. Since ancient times, societies have relied on legal experts to interpret and apply the law, with lawyers and judges holding positions of authority and respect. From Hammurabi's Code to the Roman legal system and the emergence of common law in medieval England, the role of the legal expert has been one of critical importance. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant changes in the legal profession, with the growth of corporations and the expansion of international trade driving the need for specialized legal expertise. The 20th century saw further advancements in legal education, regulation, and professionalization, with the emergence of large law firms and global legal networks. Throughout this evolution, the core attributes of the legal profession have remained relatively consistent: a deep understanding of the law, analytical thinking, and persuasive communication. Generative AI poses a challenge to these traditional foundations, as it has the potential to replicate many of the tasks that lawyers have historically performed.
The rise of generative AI.
Generative AI, exemplified by models like GPT-3 and its successors, have made significant strides in recent years. These models have demonstrated an uncanny ability to understand, analyze, and generate human-like text, enabling them to engage in a wide range of tasks, from writing news articles to drafting legal documents. As Voltaire once said, "Judge a man by his questions rather than his answers." In the legal profession, asking the right questions is a critical skill that generative AI is quickly mastering. With access to vast amounts of data and the ability to learn from legal precedents, these models can quickly and accurately generate advice, find relevant cases, and even predict the outcomes of legal disputes.
The technological precedents.
The legal profession is no stranger to technological disruption. The advent of the printing press revolutionized the dissemination of legal knowledge, while the typewriter and the photocopier transformed the production and sharing of legal documents. The rise of the personal computer and the internet further revolutionized how lawyers conduct research, communicate with clients, and collaborate with their peers. Generative AI represents the next phase in this technological evolution, offering a level of automation and intelligence that has never been seen before. By harnessing the power of AI, lawyers can process and analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns and trends, and generate insights that would be impossible for a human to achieve in the same time frame.
Why lawyers are at risk.
There are several reasons why generative AI poses a significant threat to many lawyers' jobs. 1. Cost effectiveness. AI systems can work around the clock, without the need for breaks or vacations, and at a fraction of the cost of human lawyers. This makes them an attractive alternative for firms and clients looking to cut costs, especially in routine tasks like document review and contract drafting. 2. Speed and accuracy. Generative AI can process and analyze vast amounts of data at a speed that far surpasses human capabilities. This allows them to quickly identify relevant precedents, statutes, and arguments, resulting in faster and more accurate legal work. 3. Consistency. Unlike humans, AI systems do not suffer from biases or fatigue. ensuring a higher level of consistency in their work. This can be particularly advantageous in areas like compliance and regulatory enforcement, where a consistent interpretation of rules is essential. 4. Customization. Generative AI can be tailored to specific industries or legal domains, enabling them to provide specialized legal advice and support that may be difficult or expensive for human lawyers to acquire. The ethical implications of AI in law. The integration of generative AI in the legal profession raises several ethical concerns. One such concern is the potential loss of human accountability in legal decision-making. With AI systems generating advice and even predicting outcomes, there is a risk that the human element may be diminished, leading to a potential erosion of trust in the legal system. Moreover, the use of AI in law raises questions about data privacy and security. As AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to function, there is an inherent risk that sensitive client information may be exposed or misused. Legal professionals must ensure that they comply with data protection regulations and maintain strict confidentiality standards when using AI tools. Finally, there is the issue of potential bias in AI-generated legal advice. While AI systems can help to mitigate human bias by processing data objectively, they may also inadvertently perpetuate existing biases if the data they are trained on is itself biased. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI-generated legal advice is essential to maintaining the integrity of the legal system. The silver lining. Opportunities for adaptation. While the rise of generative AI is set to disrupt the legal profession, it also presents opportunities for lawyers to adapt and thrive in a new landscape. As Charles Darwin wisely observed, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. 1. Times embrace technology times. Lawyers who can master AI and other technological tools will have a competitive edge in the market. By using AI to handle routine tasks, legal professionals can focus on more complex and strategic aspects of their work, providing greater value to their clients. 2. Specialized times. As AI becomes more prevalent, legal professionals with specialized knowledge and skills will be in high demand. Developing expertise in niche areas, such as intellectual property or international arbitration, will help lawyers differentiate themselves and secure their place in the market. 3. Focus on soft skills times. While AI can replicate many aspects of a lawyer's job, it cannot replace the human touch. Empathy, creativity, and the ability to build relationships are crucial skills that can set lawyers apart from their AI counterparts. 4. Collaborate with AI times. Legal professionals can harness the power of generative AI by collaborating with these systems to produce better outcomes for their clients. By combining the strengths of human creativity and judgment with the speed and accuracy of AI, lawyers can deliver more effective and efficient legal services. 5. Educate and inform times. As AI becomes more integrated into the legal profession, lawyers will play a critical role in educating clients, colleagues, and the public about the capabilities and limitations of AI, as well as addressing ethical concerns and ensuring that AI is used responsibly and transparently.
The role of law schools and professional associations.
Law schools and professional associations have a crucial role to play in preparing the next generation of legal professionals for the AI revolution. By incorporating AI and technology courses into their curricula, law schools can ensure that their graduates have the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in an AI-driven legal landscape. Professional associations can support this transition by offering continuing education programs focused on AI and technology, as well as developing ethical guidelines and best practices for the responsible use of AI in the legal profession. By actively engaging with the AI revolution, law schools and professional associations can help shape the future of the legal profession and ensure that it remains a vital and relevant force in society. The legal profession is on the cusp of a seismic shift, with generative AI poised to replace a significant number of lawyers in the next 10 years. While this transformation presents challenges, it also offers opportunities for those who are adaptable, embrace technology, and focus on developing specialized knowledge and strong interpersonal skills. As John F. Kennedy once said, "Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future." The legal profession must embrace this change and adapt to the revolutionary impact of AI to ensure its continued relevance and vitality. In conclusion, the rise of generative AI represents a fundamental shift in the legal profession, with far-reaching implications for the future of legal work, education, and ethics. By embracing this change and adapting to the new landscape, lawyers can continue to play a vital role in society, providing expert advice and representation while navigating the complex and evolving world of law in the age of AI.
Thanks for listening to this week's episode. If you want to keep up to date with technology and law, connect with Dennis on LinkedIn. Share your thoughts and reach out to him. See you in the next episode.